Dragon 2 is a class of reusable spacecraft developed and manufactured by American Aerospace. Manufacturer SpaceX is the successor to Dragon 1, a reusable cargo spacecraft. There are two variants: Crew Dragon, a space capsule capable of ferrying up to 7 astronauts, and Cargo Dragon, an updated replacement for the original Dragon spacecraft. The spacecraft launches atop a Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket and returns to Earth via an ocean splashdown. Unlike its predecessor, the spacecraft can autonomously dock to the International Space Station instead of being berthed. Crew Dragon is equipped with an integrated launch escape system consisting of 8 Super Draco engines, capable of accelerating the vehicle away from the rocket in an emergency. The spacecraft features redesigned solar arrays and a modified outer mold line compared to the original Dragon, and possesses new flight computers and avionics. As of March 2020, 4 operational Dragon 2 spacecraft have been manufactured, as well as several unflown test articles. Crew Dragon serves as one of 2 spacecraft that are expected to transport crews to and from the ISS under NASA's Commercial Crew Program, the other being the Boeing CST-100 Starliner. Both crafts exceeding the crew orbital transportation capabilities of the Space Shuttle, which retired from service in 2011. It is also expected to be used in flights by American space tourism company Space Adventures and to shuttle tourists to and from Axiom Space's planned space station. Crew Dragon's first in-crew test flight occurred in March 2019, and its first crewed test flight, with astronauts Robert Behnken and Douglas Hurley, occurred in May 2020. This marked the first time a private company launched a crewed orbital spacecraft. Cargo Dragon is expected to supply cargo to the ISS under a Commercial Resupply Services 2 contract with NASA, along with Northrop Grumman Innovation Systems Cygnus spacecraft and Sierra Nevada Corporation's Dream Chaser spacecraft. The first flight of Dragon 2 in a cargo configuration launched in December 2020. On the 10th of November 2020, the Crew Dragon, as well as the Falcon 9 rocket and associated ground systems, were fully certified by NASA as the first commercial launch system in history capable of transporting humans to and from the ISS. There are 2 variants: Crew Dragon and Cargo Dragon. Crew Dragon was initially called Dragon Rider, and it was intended from the beginning to support a crew of 7 or a combination of crew and cargo. It is able to perform fully autonomous rendezvous and docking with manual override ability using the NASA docking system. For typical missions, Crew Dragon will remain docked to the ISS for a period of 180 days, but is designed to remain on the station for up to 210 days, matching the Russian Soyuz spacecraft. From the beginning of the development process, SpaceX planned to use an integrated push or launch escape system for the Dragon spacecraft. SpaceX originally intended to land Crew Dragon on land using the LES engines, with parachutes and an ocean splashdown available in the case of an aborted launch. Precision water landing under parachutes was proposed to NASA as the baseline return and recovery approach for the first few flights of Crew Dragon. Propulsive landing was later cancelled, leaving ocean splashdown under parachutes as the only option. As of 2011, the Paragon Space Development Corporation was assisting in developing Crew Dragon's life support system. In 2012, SpaceX was in talks with orbital outfitters about developing spacesuits to wear during launch and re-entry. Each crew member wears a custom spacesuit fitted for them. The suit is primarily designed for use inside the Dragon. However, in the case of a rapid cabin depressurization, the suit can protect the crew members. The suit can also provide cooling for astronauts during normal flight. For the Demo 1 mission, a test dummy nicknamed Ripley was fitted with the spacesuit and sensors. The spacesuit is made from Nomex, a fire-retardant fabric similar to Kevlar. At a NASA news conference on the 18th of May 2012, SpaceX confirmed their target launch price for Crew Dragon flights of $160 million United States dollars, or about $23 million United States dollars per seat if the maximum crew of 7 is aboard and NASA orders at least 4 Crew Dragon flights per year. This contrasts with the 2014 Soyuz launch price of $76 million United States dollars per seat for NASA astronauts. The spacecraft's design was unveiled on the 29th of May 2014 during a press event at SpaceX headquarters in Hawthorne. California. In October 2014, NASA selected the Dragon spacecraft as one of the candidates to fly American astronauts to the International Space Station. Under the Commercial Crew Program, SpaceX is using the Falcon 9 Block 5 launch vehicle to launch Dragon 2. Although Dragon 2 was intended from the earliest design concept to carry crew, or with fewer seats, both crew and cargo, a second round of multi-year cargo supply contracts was solicited by NASA in 20.